this video, we are going to do an example of integration where the integrand is the product of sine of mx by cosine of nx, and where m and n are not the same. So here's a problem. Evaluate the definite integral from 0 to power over 2 of sine 3x cosine 2x dx. So since it's not sine to a power nor cosine to a power other than 1, what we have rules for sine u cosine v. So, and here are the rules. So the rule here states that sine u cosine v, cosine u sine v, cosine u cosine v, sine v sine v. So the first the first rule is the one that we are likely to use because we have sine and cosine. So in this case, what we have is integral from 0 to power over 2 sine of 3x cosine of 2x dx is the same as integral from 0 to power over 2, 1/2 here, parent brackets open. Now, the first case says that we replace sine u cosine v with whatever is on the right hand side here. So u in our problem is 3x and v is 2x. So sine of 3x for u plus 2x for v plus sine of 3x for u minus 2x for v. Okay, brackets close, dx. So simplifying this, integral from 0, we have 1/2 can go out from 0 to power over 2. 3x plus 2x is 5, sine of 5x dx plus 1/2 0 to power over 2 for the integral, and 3x minus 2x is just 1x, so sine of x dx. And we also learn basic rule of integration, say that integral of sine of mx dx is negative 1 over m cosine of mx plus constant. So in the first of these two integral, okay, the first one we have 1/2. Okay, integral of sine of 5x will be negative 1 over 5 cosine of 5x. Now remember, we are evaluating, we are 8 from 0 to power over 2, then plus 1/2 integral of sine x is negative cosine x. Again, we are evaluating from 0 to pi over 2. So simplifying, we get negative 1 over 10 cosine of 5x 0 to pi over 2 plus, minus 1 over 2 cosine of x, evaluate from 0 to pi over 2. Now, it means that negative 1 over 10 will multiply what? Replace x with pi over 2, you get 5 pi over 2 cosine of 5 pi over 2. Then minus cosine of 5 times 0, which is cosine of 0. So we are not in college algebra, so minus 1 over 2 cosine of pi over 2 minus cosine of 0. Now, see that 5 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2 is 2 pi plus pi over 2. And since cosine is periodic with period 2 pi, cosine of 5 pi over 2 is exactly the same as cosine of pi over 2, and which is 0. So, and cosine of 0 is 1. Doing this, we get negative 1 over 10, 0 minus 1, minus 1 over 2, 0 minus 1. And simplifying, we get 1/2 of from the last part, because it's the negative 1/2 times negative 1, which is 1/2, plus 1 over 10. And multiplying by 10, that means 11 over 20. Oh, sorry. That's wrong, isn't it? So reducing to common denominator, multiply by 5, so it will be 6 over 10. And that means 3 over 5. So this is integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine of 3x cosine of 2x dx. That is final.